So today I'm going to be making some little pots out of ResinCrete. Today I am using the actual ResinCrete, not just a regular Nico resin. I'm starting to get out the ResinCrete. Here I'm measuring out my water. I need I believe 60 grams of water to go with 200 grams of ResinCrete powder. Now I'm measuring out the ResinCrete powder. What well, obviously I had to stop and retare my container or scale. I want 200 grams worth of the powder into the dish with the water. So now I'm going to mix up the ResinCrete. I have to do this quickly as there's not a lot of time to, it doesn't have a very long working time. So I'm moving the scale, then get to mixing. I'm using a fork like Steve McDonald suggested. So I'll just keep mixing it until it's not lumpy anymore. So now I'm grabbing the two ResinCrete pigments that I'm using. I'm using pink and purple. I'm just doing a few drops of each. It's like I'm experimenting with this. Since it's been so long since I've really done anything with it. Just need some time to bring the memory back. Now I'm going to lightly swirl the colorings in, and I'm going to pour my first pot. Obviously, I didn't realize that the one mold was off the screen. This is a new. I'm set up in the garage for this one right now. So here I'm going to mix up a little bit more ResinCrete so I can try to finish off that second pot. And obviously I got a little too much water in there, so going back down, I'm guessing I probably did 30. Yeah, 30 grams of water, which means just 100 grams of the ResinCrete powder. I say I'm getting very close to the end of the bag of the ResinCrete, so I'm having to struggle a little bit to get more out. And of course, this batch is going to be very, very purple. It'll turn out lavender once it's mixed in, but it's not going to match. It's not going to be the white with the purple and pink stripes. And the pot is going to be half and half, basically. I don't end up getting all of the um, but lumps out for this one. I realize as I get to the very top of filling the container. I have the counter that I'm working on. I put clear contact paper over it to help protect it. So when it's time to clean, all I have to do is rip it off and put new on. I'm adding a little more water to work in with the lumps. I guess I'm lightly jostling them around so to reduce any bubbles. I'm definitely liking the looks of the first one I did. And for some reason, I'm thinking about doing a third one. Yeah, I don't know. So I did not get the unmolding video on these released, so it'll be next time. Thank you.